Investment opportunity. Duplex close to the heart of Medford, configured as two bedrooms and one bathroom units in a single-level ranch style. There are 1,592 combined square feet evenly distributed between the units, and each have their own laundry. Some updating has been done, including kitchen cabinets, countertops, windows, vinyl floors and metal roof. Homes have solid wood floors in the living room that add a lot of warmth to the space. Property sits on a nice corner lot across the street from the school track and field. Both sides are currently rented at $1,300 and $1,100 respectively. Both tenants have been there more than a year.